My name is Natasha, and I would like to thank you for this opportunity. I am from Albania, and my work institution is Alexander Moisiu University. I'll try to present our research paper with topics artificial intelligence and the future of accounting profession, the case of Albania. My co-authors are Albana Mosho and Hysen Hoda. This paper introduces the impact of artificial intelligence on the accounting profession, the opportunities that artificial intelligence provides to accountants, as well as challenges that this profession faces in condition of advanced technology and AI, with focus on Albania. But what is AI or artificial intelligence? There are several definitions, but I would like to mention two of them. According to Copland, artificial intelligence is ability of computer or computer-controlled robot to perform tasks that are commonly associated with intellectual processes characteristic of humans, such as ability to reason. Although there are as yet no AIs that match full human flexibility over wider domain or in tasks requiring much everyday knowledge. Some artificial intelligences perform specific tasks as well as human. According to Russell and Knowing, artificial intelligence, a field of computer science dedicated to developing systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making, has significantly impacted various industries and businesses, but improving efficiency and accuracy. The world of accounting, traditionally seen as profession steeped in numbers, regulation, and meticulous attention to detail, is undergoing now a profound transformation. At the heart of this revolution, or in the heart of this transformation, is AI, a technology that reshaping industries across the globe. In the last decade, technology has been advancing rapidly. Artificial intelligence is in many fields and professions has become a fact. Meanwhile, not all segments of population, not all generations embraces technological advancements or artificial intelligence or smart systems, etc. Cultural barriers lead to hesitation towards advanced technology as a result of being comfortable with traditional methods, and then competition forces them to increase the demands for qualification and capacity building to be able to face the challenges of artificial intelligence. Regarding to above, some authors such as Beryl, Simon, Prisca, Azes, Adjoko have said the resistance to change from employees and stakeholders accustomed to traditional accounting methods can impede the adoption of innovation practice. Cultural and cultural and organizational inertia may create challenges in fostering and mindset that embraces technological advancement and new ways to conducting financial operation, especially in small and in developing countries such as Albania. The elderly generally find it difficult to adopt the technology that changes and develops rapidly from day to day. Developing skills, soft skills, let's say, for the accountants or all types of professions should be at the top of company policies. The accountants is, everybody knows that everybody who is part of this profession, let's say, is of part of accountant offices or have studied for accountant, etc., is know well that the accountant is the owner of transaction information and summarized it into business reports that are used by interested parties inside or outside the business. The accountant maintains accounting books such as journal, general ledger, trial balance, prepares financial statements, etc. All of the above, before the year 2000, accountants in Albania performed manually. The use of computers as softwares make the routine work of accountants easier. Science involves and here we are today in the face of artificial intelligence. Under this condition, the accountants simply must face the challenges of AI and should use the opportunities to reposition his role as part of strategic decision-making group of the business or what kind of institution. According to the importance of accountant in the front of AI, Leitner or Othman, both of these authors have said. Furthermore, the bookkeeper is responsible for storing paper on digital files. Now I will go on with purpose of this paper. The purpose of this paper is highlight the impact of artificial intelligence on the accounting profession from the perspective of opportunities and challenges, and also highlight the fact that AI does not replace the accounting profession but leads to a reformation of this profession. Now, shortly, I will try to present the methodology of this work paper, objectives, and a research question. The methodology of this paper consists of using qualitative research method, analyzing the transcripts of interviewers, as well as systematic review of literature of many authors in this field. Workshops were organized in several businesses, but also in the state institution, with managers and specialists in the field of accounting profession. About 25 people in the field of accounting profession were interviewed, where approximately 50% had about 3 or 4 years of experience in this in the use of artificial intelligence system. The interviewers were employed in private business, but also and in the state institution. During the minutes of the workshop that organized the current role of accountant and of accountants and the future role in the condition of AI were discussed. In the framework of systematic review of literature, we have referred to potentially important works related to the subject under the study, and in function of answering the question raised in this paper. Authors such as Cook, Morlow, Haynes, Higgins, Orin, Kinchen, etc., in their works have explained the importance of using qualitative methods and systematic literature review. According to these authors, the more systematic the approach of literature review, the much more transparent and fiable are conclusions related to this subject under the study. The objectives of this study are: Objective 1. To underline the approach that under AI condition the accounting profession will be oriented from data entry operator towards a strategic advisor in the function of improving decision making. Objective 2 is this paper showed that the accounting profession will not be eliminated in the process of AI, but will change or remodulate it, and that humans will remain the main and important factors. Because humans created technology and smart systems. Now we'll go shortly with research questions. The question 1 is: will AI lead to the replace of accounting profession by machines or technology? The question 2 is: the rapid improvement of technology and AI, certain new opportunities for accountants. The question 3 is: artificial intelligence associated with threats to privacy and data security? All of these questions will keep the answer during this paper I presented here. Now I will stay shortly with situation in Albania. The age we live in is age of digitalization and integrated systems of advanced technology, artificial intelligence, etc. In this condition, the economic and social environment must change and adapt to the advances of science. Some professions may even be at risk, others may be remodeled. In this context, the accountant will work together with intelligent machines and will control them while having to strengthen and protect their challenges, professional skills. The traditional profession of accountant in Albania was carried out manually. where all transactions were recorded manually and reports were produced manually. Computers are used in accounting offices in Albania in year 2000, while financial reports softwares are used after this period. The computerization of accounting process came slowly until it became mandatory for all private businesses and state institutions. Initially, there were accountants who were afraid of softwares or keep transaction both manually and in software. Currently, like Albania, find it difficult to break difficult to break away from the traditional method. Globalization has made technology progress rapidly in Albania as well as in the other countries of the world. These traditional methods is now changing as technology is become even more of necessity to avoid wasting time recording routine operation, to minimize errors, and to make the accountant increasingly part of organization strategic decision making and partner of its development. Some of the benefits achieved as a result of intelligence system improved by artificial intelligence for all businesses or state institutions in our country are digital sales or stamps, let's say, for all businesses. Payrolls are available online, VAT invoices. Even in the last 2 years, it has become possible to authorize payments directly from the office computer without the need to go physically in the bank. It is also been possible to authorize many other tax payments direct by office, such as payment of profit tax, payment of personal incomes tax, etc. All businesses now in Albania have the opportunity to submit summary balance through the e-Albania. E-Albania is a government portal that offers many services to citizens. On this portal, citizens can conduct a virtual assistant created by artificial intelligence for any questions they have regarding to the public services. So chatbots are being widely used in Albania to get answer to a variety of services or requests. Artificial intelligence in Albania has found widespread use in telecommunication companies, financial institutions, especially in the commercial banks and other businesses, but also in some public services. Currently, Albania has become part of Digital Europe program 2021-2027. From the workshops held in accounting offices near private business, but also in state institutions, it was concluded that initially, in general, there is a certain hesitation, fear of technology, especially for the elderly, and later competition forces them to be involved in the training to learn how to use smart system, machinery, and to have control over the artificial intelligence. Now I will go through the literature review shortly. The advancement of technology and artificial intelligence is having an impact not only on the accounting profession, but also on many other professions, as well as affecting the entire business processes through the value chain. According many authors such as Beryl, Donker, Simon, Prisco, Ugmana, Azez, Hassan, AI is impact on accounting profound, offering a modernized approach that surpasses traditional system. It facilitates the automation of complex tasks, learning to reduce in errors and increase in process efficiency. Okay, two authors, Agulian and Omar, says this modernization is not just a technological upgrade, but strategic enhancement that links with the evolving needs of the accounting and finance industry. A challenge for accountants in the context of artificial intelligence is the difficulty in adapting as a result of cultural barriers, the fear of losing their job, training, developing skills, soft skills, continuous professional development is essential, with the aim of increasing capacities to cope with new advanced technology. AI also offers opportunities. So, artificial intelligence has their speeds or challenges and opportunities too. Some of opportunities for the accounting profession are automation, repetitive tasks, reduce the possibility of errors, improvement of quality of reporting, and increase of efficiency at work. Instead of programmer specifying the course of action of the machine for all possible outcomes, AI algorithms can find the solution themselves, some of which are unpredictable even for human programs. But this does not mean that AI engages the accounting profession, but rather brings about necessary remodeling of this profession. The accountants will be there, and it will be stronger to help business sail in imperiled water. Artificial intelligence will do voluminous works while the accountant stays there thinking and interpreting the figures, as a technique cannot do everything. So how much smart does it is? According to many authors such as Outker, Simon, artificial intelligence or AI in accounting emphasizes a broad spectrum of technologies and application, fundamentally altering how financial data is processed and analyzed. AI in accounting is not merely about automating routine tasks. It represents a paradigm shift in the way financial information is managed and utilized for decision making. Now some findings and discussion. Countries like Albania, so small and developing countries find it difficult to break away from traditional methods of bookkeeping, but globalization and competition make any new science speed quickly. As in the wild world in Albania, AI is a fact. Based on this reality, on the top of policies should be certain of necessary mechanism for people to control AI. Human stands above the technology. Artificial intelligence is a human-made system that lacks emotional intelligence and consistency. Artificial intelligence will not replace the accounting profession, as it is leading to the reposition of this profession. In Albania, AI is used in every field of economy, but it is widely used in telecommunication companies, hotels, restaurants, financial institutions, mainly banks, social media, in medicine, etc. The working conditions of accountants are constantly changing as a result of AI. The situation makes it necessary to combine the traditional role of accountants with the areas of technological skills through continuous training. Artificial intelligence will do voluminous works while the accountants stay there thinking and interpreting the figures, as the technique cannot do everything. Accountants, as human beings, have intuition, reasoning, consistency, and emotional intelligence, advantages that artificial intelligence does not have. Accountants must maintain this competitive advantage and exercise control over artificial intelligence. The study contributes to managers and employees understanding of the importance of AI in accounting profession. The paper serves both private companies and state institutions and accounting and finance employees as well. We suggested that further studies should be done in relation to the importance of learning artificial intelligence into university curricula, especially for students studying accounting and finance. Now, in the end, some conclusion. Humanity should not consider artificial intelligence as a threat. All businesses, companies, and state institutions should train staff to be able to control AI. AI has positive impact on most professions that operate in the field of various businesses. AI does not replace the profession of accountant with machines, but improve the daily routine by reduce the time needed for operation work in order for him to be a strategic advisor for the company. Artificial intelligence is also a chance for accountants to level up and become more valuable than ever before. The implementation, one of strengths or challenges of AI is implementation of AI systems are application application of AI systems need relatively high costs. In conclusion, we can say that AI improves the accountant's workday and makes it more productive, reduce the rate of errors, and prevents fraud, but there is possibility that data privacy and security will be compromised. The paper addressed the challenges that accounting profession will face it in the terms of implementation of AI, as well as the opportunities offered by this introduction of system based on AI. The future of accounting profession will require new knowledge in order for accountants to be coherent with new trends of artificial intelligence. Businesses are interested in changing their economic and social environment in adopting to artificial intelligence or smart systems and smart machines too. AI is able to process a very large volume of data. That is one opportunity of this smart system, and automates the routine tasks of the accountant, who are repeated and repeated in the continually and consequently improves the accuracy of financial reports by providing predictive analysis for strategic decision making. But the theoretically qualified staff is required to know how to behave in AI condition. On the other hand, the concern about data privacy is evident, and implementation of artificial intelligence requires high cost. So, what is happening to accountants now? Are they out of a job? Not at all. In fact, the role of accountant is actually getting more exciting than before. That was all we have done. Thank you very much, and look to see you soon.